Surenoo ESP32-S3 Bionic Eyes Usage Tutorial. Part 1. How to use Surenoo ESP32-S3 Bionic Rope AI. When you get it, please check the packing list. Step 1. Device Distribution Network. Long press the key to turn on the device, and the voice broadcast prompts.
Enter network distribution mode.
To start network deployment, click Setting WLAN in your Android or iOS phone or Windows laptop PC. Select Shawazi X network. To connect the Wi-Fi hotspot, open your browsers to type IP 192.168. To enter network distribution surface, select your local Wi-Fi internet. To enter the password to connect it, device will be restarted in 3 seconds. If you want to connect to other network, please press the key 3 times in a line to re-enter the network distribution mode, and follow the above steps. Step 2. Add device on zhaozhaozhao.me server. After the network configuration is successful, it will prompt,
Please log into the control panel to add the device. Enter the verification code XXXXX.
Remember the verification code, and it is useful to add the device later. 1. Please visit https://shaozi.me in English pages. 2. Please use your phone number to log in Zhao's EAI platform. 3. Click Console to create agent. You can edit configure role by your hobby. 4. Click Add Device to enter verification code XXXXXXXX and then restart the device. So far, we have completed all the settings. The device is now ready to work. Let's testing the device now.
Hi, baby.
Hi, there is baby. Let's talk something fun.
What's your name?
I'm Lily, your lovely Taiwanese sweetheart girl. Want know something cute? My boyfriend is a programmer who dream of building a helper robots.
Part 2. How to replace the images of bionic eyes in your firmware *bin. Please contact Surenoo customer service to get plugin tool download link. When you get the plugin tool, please open default I folder to find materials as above picture. Please edit or replace the above image materials according to your own needs. Please open the configuration file to modify it. 1. Modify the default under firmware to point to the *.h file of the corresponding size. 2. Modify the input _firmware under firmware to point to the corresponding firmware type. 3. Modify src_dir and name _map to point to the prepared material, and screen type 2 point to the screen type 1.28 or 0.71. 4. Execute *.exe to run it. When you have seen the text in above red circle, the new firmware .bin has been updated. So far, the tutorial on replacing eyes image materials has come to an end. Commentary on customizing the eye style firmware. 1. Replace the material array of the default I_1.28.h or default I_0.71.h file in the project with your own. 2. Compile and generate the firmware. 3. Place the firmware under the firmware directory. 4. Modify the configuration file, changing input _firmware to the compiled firmware. 5. Refer to the instructions again to generate the new firmware. Let's burn the bin file to display the colorful and brilliant eyes. Part 3. How to burn the firmware *.bin to V6824 board? How to enter the burning mode. Press the key to connect USB port to PC quickly. When you find the red indicator LED flashes, Enter the burning mode and release the key. We'll provide two approaches to flash the firmware file. 1. Local flashing tool method. 1.1. Please visit the below URL to obtain the local flashing tool and firmware file. 1.2. Please open ESP32-S3 flash download tool before you connect the USB port. 1.3. Set up according to the above figure. Then click OK to proceed to the next step. 1.4. Please connect the device according to the previous steps and enter the flashing mode. 1.5. Set up according to the serial numbers in the above figure. Then click Start to perform the flashing operation. 1. Select the burning firmware files, *.bin. 2. Check off. 3. Set 0 for write mode. 4. Check 80 MHz. 5. Check DO. 6. Select the correct COM port. 7. Use the default baud rate, 115,200. 8. Click Start to finish the firmware burning operation. 2. URL, online burning method. 2.1. Please enter to burning mode on board. Visit the above URL on Google Chrome or Edge browsers. 2.2. Click Connect. You'll find the above figure to do it in next steps. 2.3. Click Burn to burn the online firmware. 2.4. The appearance of the above figure means the online burning is completed. 2.5. Unplug the USB cable, press and hold the key to power on the device. And then the ESP32-S3 AI Bionic eyes will enter a brand new working mode. Please buy it now in the following Surenoo/AliExpress eBay store QR code.